All right, hey guys, welcome back. My Caudill brand ambassador for Go RVing. Middle of the day for day number 3, and we're still here at Grand Design, and we're getting grander in size as we talk about grander design. So we're backing up so you can see the size of this Grand Design influence. So for fun, I just said, hey, you know what? I want to go in some of the bigger units. I want to bring it all to you, right? So like when you go to a car show, of course you get to see a Prius, but everybody wants to see the Lamborghini. And that's what we're doing here. So we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to go inside the Influence, which is a really new setup for the team at Grand Design. And then we're going to go in a surprise one for you, but we're not going to show you right now because the marketing person, Natalie, is over there making sure it's just ready and set and go for us. So, all right, we're going to do this. We're going to go inside here right now. Golf legend Logan McBride, who is a product manager for Grand Design, is in here right now. And we were going to talk football, but he's like, dude, I'm a golfer. So we're rocking it out inside here. So this is a fifth wheel, and this is big.
Big.
And it is awesome. And you are the product manager for this. Can I do something before? Because I came in here and played around earlier. Before we show you anything, you guys ready for this? Flora Caudill! Boom! Get everything. Look, I mean, I think our kids, they would seriously just walk by. This would be more of a toy, and it's functional, but you can clean out your glasses.
Absolutely. You also have to make sure you got a glass on there as well, or the ceiling will get hit.
Can I do it? No. Okay, I won't.
We gotta keep these looking pretty.
I know, I'm a kid. All right, so we're inside the Influence. Tell us the story.
Yeah. So post-COVID, what we have realized is there is a price segment in the fifth wheel market that we simply just were not hitting as a company with Grand Design. And it's that price segment that sits right above Reflection and right below Solitude. So bam, the Influence was born. So with these Influences, you're looking at MSRPs anywhere between $95,000 and $104,000, which is right in the meat of the middle of the Reflection and the Solitude. The Solitudes top out at about $78,000 in terms of MSRP. Solitudes start at $120,000. So right in the middle of that market, and it's a big enough market. With us not being a player, we needed something that was going to play in this market. We wanted something in this market that we were going to win with. So the Influence was born. The nice thing with the Influence is that it's its own brand. It's got its own identity, own exteriors, own interiors. We can keep it separate, so we can make sure that we are staying in that price point that we are targeting for.
And it's great. So if you look at Grand Design as a whole, you had a certain market that you hit with your original product you came out with. Mm-hmm. Now you've got the Series 100, mm-hmm. right? So you've got an entry-level fifth wheel into the market that is in that 26-foot category, and it's at a price point that's half of what the Influence is. So you have the ability to start with a customer and have a repeat customer.
Absolutely.
And then a repeat customer. So with the Influence, let's just walk through and talk about some of the features in here. There's the first thing that caught my mind was, having this farmhouse door. You just come in, you can slide it shut like that to create a little bit of privacy mm-hmm. between your standard living area and what is in the back, which we're going to show you in a minute because it's really cool back there. Entertainment chairs, a full functioning table for a family of 4 with lockdown straps, and then these massive windows are just, I sit here, and you were talking about the construction of your slide, and I think that's worth talking a little bit more. So kind of break down what makes your slide a bit different than some of the others.
Yeah, and you'll see, so on all of our fifth wheels, you'll see this sticker right by the front door. It says Thump here. And what we want to say is just how we're building our slides. So we are a fully laminated slide out. So we are fully laminated slide out end walls, obviously. Your slide out end walls are laminated, and then your slide out roof is laminated as well. The big thing with that, it's a little more money. It takes a little bit more time. It's a little bit more work on our lamination department in terms of having to build all of these separately for us. But the functionality and the strength of the unit is going to be a lot better.
Yeah, because we've had, you hear about it in the RV industry. Sometimes you have problems with slides, so you're trying to eliminate that with a little bit of innovation. So you've done that.
Anything that we can do from a manufacturing standpoint and from Grand Design before it leaves here and gets to a dealer, anything that we can do to give a customer the peace of mind while they're driving down the road and while they're camping, it's a no-brainer for us.
Yeah. Center island here, which I love. And this sink is really cool. It really is a functional, innovative sink with the water cup cleaner.
Have you done it all?
No.
Have you
You're going to
seen
show
it all?
me.
Absolutely.
You're going to show me because I see this and I got a feeling that's like my vegetable strainer cleaner, but I don't know what this is.
Absolutely. So with this smart sink, so this is something that you will see in all of the Influences and all of the Solitudes. So obviously you've just got your standard faucet. You've got your sprayer in here to spray off your plates. If you've got a really dirty plate or you went to bed and forgot to do the dishes, you've got a super sprayer in here too. So that will help clean the dishes. With the built-in cutting board, you can get your groceries, you can cut your vegetables, cut your fruits, slide them on into this strainer, and you've got a waterfall rinse as well. So again,
Really cool.
it's super exciting.
Look at that.
Very over the top, but it gets everybody excited. They can demo it, they can play with it.
Awesome.
And along with that, and like you said earlier, we've got the built-in soap dispenser, and then you've got the cup rinse as well, which again has been a playful thing this week. We wanted to make sure we had water in all the Influences and all of the Solitudes, and
So
it's something that everybody that walks into this unit, that's the first thing that they do.
Awesome. Behind you is our cooking area. You want to cook a turducken, you can do it in here. If you're following, it's football theme this week for me, I guess. But yeah, you've got a full functioning oven in here, which is amazing. I love the stainless steel.
Stainless steel's nice.
I haven't seen a lot of stainless steel this week, and the stainless steel is nice with the 3-burner, and then standard microwave, convection microwave. What do we got up top?
Standard microwave in these units. And with the stainless steel, I know a lot have gone, I believe a lot have gone to the black appliances. Obviously behind you we've got the black refrigerator. Just something that sets it apart from the Solitude. With the black refrigerator, I think it ties in really nicely with the black on the appliances and not having all black appliances.
Sure. I'm a kid, and so when it's like, oh, squirrel, I see something, I gotta grab it. So this says spice things up. Can you see that? Spice things up. Not only do you have a spice cabinet, but how do you access them? You come in here and you can see your spices. Am I getting that all the way out?
You are, yes.
Okay, so it would be, Flora would call me and say, hey, come find the spices in here. I can easily see everything on the inside. I love that feature. Just pulling stuff open, we're looking at storage. You got plenty of that with the fireplace. What I love about this fireplace is a lot of them are long and thin. This one just feels more welcoming from a size standpoint at 26 inches. Smart TV, storage, entertainment area. We're going to go this way into your pantry. We're going to go up to the bedroom next, but you got a full pantry here with your Wi-Fi on the inside, so everything's nice and close. Of course, more storage, and then we have to make our way up to this incredible bedroom. I was in here earlier. You want to talk about big. I mean, we got a walk-in closet. I know, right? Walk-in closet with mirrors so you can check out your fashion for the night. It'd be board shorts and flip-flops and a hat on backwards with a T-shirt for me. I haven't even shown everyone my... It'll be this for me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You know, I'm going to keep summer alive wearing a little bit of
Absolutely.
pink
You need to today.
with some great palm trees on it. But this is important, right? Shoes. You can put enough shoes in here. I'm a big shoe person. You can hang your clothes. But I do like the additional storage here up top for small items. Maybe this is where my watch is going to go. Or other things that I just want to keep up here. So that's great. And then inside here, why don't you show everybody what's going on
Yeah, so
in
inside here, if you just need extra space, extra closet space, you've got a giant closet in here. But if you are that customer that wants the built-in washer and dryer, this closet is built for a stackable washer and dryer. So again, if you're on the road a lot, you're needing to do laundry, you have that ability in order to add that to this unit. And again, just help with the comforts of camping and making this feel as at home as possible.
Air conditioning in the master bedroom as well, so you're going to be able to keep cool, keep warm. You have wireless or USB charging over there, and you have your own thermostat, which is right up here against the wall. But now it's time to make it to this little secret back room. And what I love about this back room is that if you make your way through the farmhouse doors, you have a separate bathroom with second door entry. So this is great, right? You have friends, you're tailgating, you're out in the campsite, you're at the beach. You have an area in which you can come in and you don't have to bring all the dirt and debris or whatever it may be, right? You don't have to traipse through the interior. You get to keep that nice and clean and use this as your separate bedroom. And it only makes sense, since this is your second restroom, that this is your kids' hangout area, right?
Yep.
So you've got your kids' hangout area in here with your bed up top. This also turns into a bed, but it's a nice living quarter for the kids. And then you have this loft up top. So you have great functionality and use of space, and then a workstation, because so many people are choosing to work from the road these days. I could work back here as an adult, or if I'm homeschooling my kids on the road, I have that option as well. Tons of storage in here. So you got a lot of great things happening on the inside of this Influence, and Logan gave you the price on it. So you're looking at something under $100,000, right, as a starting price. And then, of course, it goes up. So I promised you all that I was going to freestyle, and that's what we're going to do. And Logan and I are going to go over to the Solitude. And that is the Grandari of them all. It is the big one. And I promised you a Lamborghini. So this is the Lamborghini. Logan's going to run out that door. I'm going to run out this door. Oh, wait, hold on. We can't do that yet. I forgot. I almost forgot, Logan. We're not
the
going
most
to the
important
Solitude.
outside
The most important
feature.
part. I did it on purpose. Sometimes I try and do it on purpose. Okay, check this out. You got a full workstation over here for getting your amazing meal rocking and rolling. I'm going to guess this is going to flip upside down. Like
Yes, sir,
that.
you got it.
That way everybody can see, because you know I love to get my grill on. We're going to put this in here so you can see it in all its glory. So you got a burner system here, cooktop, so you can do your bacon on here in the morning. Lots of countertop space to entertain. So if you want to think about tailgating, you're going to want to do that with a fridge with an open glass. I can't stress how important having that function is, because it saves you from having to like search all around. It's right there in front of you with plenty of storage. So anything you want to note on this?
Not much.
I'm part of the Grand Design team now.
Absolutely.
Thanks for coming, journalist.
No, you covered everything. One thing I do like to point out is you actually have a plumb sink out here. So a lot of times when you have an outside kitchen, you're sacrificing something, because we're trying to make it small and we're trying to fit it into a space. So with that plumbed sink, you can wash all your dishes out here. You can come out here, you can cook your bacon in the morning, wash everything. It stays not
with speakers.
Not on the inside.
With speakers. All right, we promised you the Solitude, so that is where we are going next. And I'm noticing the same theme. I'm starting to think that most people in Elkhart are big Raiders fans, because I'm seeing blacks and grays. I might be missing something, but I will tell you that this is one of the coolest exterior designs you can see or find on an RV. I love the look of this. Speakers on the outside, plenty of storage. I mean, take it away, man. Tell us about how amazing this unit is.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that storage.
So on the exterior, what you'll see here, this is one of our 3 full body paints that we offer on Solitude. Coming from the Influence, I said the MSRPs are anywhere between $95,000 and $105,000. With getting up to the Solitude brand, your MSRP, you're looking anywhere between $120,000 and $143,000. This with the full body paint, you're looking at an MSRP on this unit of about $155,000. So
Let's do it. Let's just go.
Let's
go inside.
This is one of the coolest units that we have. It's our full 2-bedroom unit, 2 full baths, ton of living space. So you've got your
holy smokes.
Yeah.
Look at that up there. I'm like, can I fit? I'm always trying to see if I can fit.
We can fit you up there.
Oh, man, you can fit 3, 4, 5 kids. My son would just be eating it up here. It's so big. I might actually have to take this from you. I know you got your headphones on. We'll show you all. We'll all show you her. We'll show you Tracy at the end of the week. Look at this up here. I mean, that is awesome. And then the kids, they get this view from the top. I mean, they're just like, hey, Mom, hand me something. Because you know how that goes. Awesome size. I mean, you want to talk about big size. I'm just handing it back to you. Crazy. Let's start in the back.
Yeah.
Let's start in the rear and make our way all the way up. So you got the rear entry on this, which is important. So you got rear entry. Come up. You got your shower in the back.
Yep.
Right? I'm going to guess there's 2 showers.
There's 2 showers, yes,
So
sir.
2 showers, full shower in the back. This is amazing, right? So if you're at the beach, you just come in here, you shower off, you dust off out here. You got a restroom, you got a sink. So you got everything you need in here. Then you make it into here, and you've got a queen or a twin? What is this?
This is a queen bed, 60 by 80. Hard to believe that this is the 2nd bedroom of the unit. This is not the primary suite, but
queen bed with a full television and storage unit. This is awesome. Look how big, and everything's just so spacious and roomy. A lot of headroom in here as well. You got your farmhouse doors. Look at that. See ya. Farmhouse doors, and then the kitchen. This kitchen could not be any more elaborate. This is, without a doubt, the most awesome and epic, right? So you talk about Lamborghini. This television is just going to slide down inside the case here. Just completely disappears. You've got beautiful cabinetry up on top. A lot of ceiling space in here with lights that are hanging down. Like, they've gone to every level. 4 adults sitting in here to watch the big screen over here. What else, man?
Yeah, so starting with that super sofa, I mean, if the double bedroom and the loft up top is not enough, so this is the super sofa that we offer in this unit. Obviously, you've got your 2 theater seats on the right here, but if you need extra sleeping space, this left side right here is also a trifold sofa. So you could fit the whole family, the extended family, the neighbors, the dogs, all of the kids in the neighborhood can be in this unit.
And the kitchen sink. Kitchen sink's coming.
Yes.
4-burner up top, massive industrial grade refrigerator.
Yeah.
This thing is huge, right?
Yeah, and then just a couple differences, like with the Influence and coming to that Solitude, you're getting that bigger 4-burner Insignia stove and range. We're going to a 20 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. Little bit larger of appliances, a little bit more room in here, a few more amenities. And one thing I do want to point out that we do have on the Influence and the Solitude, we've gone back to pet friendly in most of our brands at Grand Design. So what you'll see here is underneath the refrigerator, you'll have built-in pet bowls. So you pull that out, your dogs, your cats, whatever they have.
Iguana.
Yeah, iguana. They've got
Totally
they've got their spots. They have their food. You will also see the screen defender on the front door. So if you got that animal that likes to claw out the door, that screen defender will help them.
Sure.
And then a D-ring underneath the grab handle outside for pet leashes.
Yeah, I love it. All right, here we go. Up into the second bedroom. Yeah, just laid out beautifully, right? And what I noticed between this one and the Influence is you've put a window up on top.
Yes.
So you have a little bit more lighting in here, and it kind of gives you full ability to see out this side and this side as well. You've got a full setup right here for storage, clothes, walk-in closet, same as the Influence. So It sounds like the front cap's been developed very similar.
Yes.
This one has the washer and dryer in it. So if you need to get your clothes washed while you're out there on the road, you can do it in this. And then we make our way into the bathroom, and that'll round out the Solitude. They've taken it to a new level with the Solitude. So same beautiful height, but you've got a much different designed and laid out shower system in here. A little seat over here as well. So they're giving you a little bit more space inside the shower with an actual glass door that shuts. Toilet, farmhouse style, stainless steel sink. So again, taking that quality and that level of luxury to a new level. How many air conditioning units on this? 3 or 4?
So 2 are standard. The option we have for a third. So this one does have the 3 ACs. They're 3 15,000 BTU air conditioners. They're all plumbed into the ductwork, so all of those are running into the same ductwork, cooling this unit as quickly as possible if you need to.
Awesome.
The other nice thing, if you're sitting down here and watching TV, and it is a stealth AC system, so they are quieter, but if you really don't want that one on, you can have the AC in the bedroom on while you're out here watching TV, and you will still get airflow throughout the entire unit.
That is awesome. Logan McBride, product manager for Influence and Solitude.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
you
so much.
We appreciate it.
I hope y'all are enjoying these, man. We're bouncing between Class Bs and Class Cs and travel trailers and fifth wheels. It's been an epic kickoff to our Wednesday. We've still got more awesome stuff coming your way. So make sure you're all staying tuned. We'll check the comments here when we come off air, and we'll be back with you all shortly. So we'll see you in a bit with our next product here at the 2023 RV Dealer Open House.